Okay, so we're going to take a look at this Western Digital Elements external hard drive. So it's a desktop hard drive, needs an external power source. I went for the 6 terabyte option. There are plenty of options to choose from, suiting your budget or space requirements. We're going to take a quick look and see what's in the box, but let's take a quick look on the packaging. I guess they see it as being like a media storage, so plenty of room for all your videos. It has a USB 3 interface, so it should be a little bit faster than your older USB 2 devices. So let's take that out. Okay, so that's the drive itself with a little plastic wrap around it. So we'll pull that off in a second and have a bit more of a look, but let's just check what else is in the box. Nothing in that main compartment, but there's a little pull out here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, a quick start on the power adapter, how to fit that together, and then some basic instructions and warranty terms. Look in here. So you've got the power adapter with the UK plug on it. Now I did see in the instructions, and here's it in the bag, a Continental plug. But it's great that that's fitted with the UK plug as standard from this retailer, and that type of power lead on the end. So it's not like it's a micro USB or USB-C power lead for this thing. It's an external power doodad like that. And we have a USB 3 cable, so USB 3 on one end and then the drive connector on the other. So that, let's have a look on the back. Just about see that. So on the back of the device, we've got a nice power button. The previous devices I've had do not have a power button on the back, so that's quite nice to see. And I have heard that when the device isn't in use, it will spin down automatically, which is great for saving power when it's not needed. So I'm going to attach this to a Raspberry Pi. Most of the time it will be off, and I'm hoping that drive will just spin down without having to hit a power button. So I will be checking that out, and I'll leave any feedback in the description for this video. So what else have we got? We've got the connector for attaching the cable to the USB hub, and then the power adapter, and then a Kensington lock hole. Some grills on the back for letting air out and letting loads of dust in. Great. I can't actually see the drive through the holes. Oh, you can see it through these ones, just. I wonder if I can get that on video. Not quite. You can actually see the drive enclosed inside there. And the rest of it is just space. Pull that off. Oh, shiny. Oh, and it doesn't gather too many fingerprints, so that's good. But overall, a nice looking unit. It'll sit nicely under the TV. I think that's going to be pretty decent. Oh, rubber feet on the bottom there, which will be good to stop the vibration. Sometimes you get a vibration from the drive spinning inside, so hopefully that will stop that kind of issue from happening. But yeah, I'm happy with the design of that. It feels a bit more plasticky than the older Western Digital drives, which feel very much like a big brick of plastic with the drive wrapped inside. But I guess there's space in here because the drive is kind of thinner, so there's space there for the heat to dissipate. But you are getting that plasticky feel to it. Overall, looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.